Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. How are you doing today? So today's video I'm going to be doing this blue eyeshadow look, guys. This is actually my first time trying out a blue eyeshadow or sharp eyeshadow. You guys know I normally go for simple eye look. So today I decided to try something sharp on my eyes. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just that girl who love applying makeup. So this is not a tutorial. Don't nail me for it. Don't nail me for it. So let's just get started, guys. So I've already done my brow off camera, so I'm gonna head to apply my primers.
But recently I just don't care. I'm a new bitch with a new style, got a new car and a new house.
So after that, I'm gonna use eyeshadow base from this.
Got a new car and a new house, and I'm dyeing my hair, and I finally feel alive now. And I wanna bleach my.
It's a eyeshadow color to pop more, so I want the color to pop more. Then I'm going in with my transition color.
Feel alive now, and I wanna bleach my eyebrows, and now I just don't care. I don't care.
Now I'm gonna go in with blue eyeshadow. I'm using this palette from Sephora, so I'm basically gonna take the sharpest blue in that palette and then apply it and then start blending. Blend.
And I don't care.
So I'm going in with another blue eyeshadow and use that on my eyelid. When I'm done with the application of the blue eye, and I'll go in with the first color, my transition color, and I use that to blend everything to make sure there is no harsh line. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so now I'm lining my eyes.
I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You denied everything.
So right now I'm gonna be applying my concealer, my foundation, my contouring, and I'm just gonna blend everything at once. Apply everything at once and then blend at once.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well I've died at least 7 times. I rise on the 3rd day every time. Every soul set on fire. My soul set free, sunshine. I own nothing. I own nothing. You own nothing. And now the sun sets on Sierras. The air is my home. The water is my balance. Earth is where I roam, but my head is in the galaxies. I'm going. Coming in hot. 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 I'm a free spirit. You can't kill me. You can't kill me.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what what I always say, 'cause of day you told her that you would stay. You made me.
So guys, this is the final look. Okay guys, this is not my favorite, but yeah, how do I do? Kind of like it though. Yeah, bye guys.